In the 1980s, I saw this in Kansas City, Missouri. Downtown Kansas City, Missouri was a place that you did not want to go. A lot of abandoned commercial buildings, and it wasn't because of COVID. It wasn't because of anything other than people moved out to the new suburbs of the Kansas City metro, on the Kansas side and the Missouri side. Both were developing outside of the downtown area, and over time, they started to realize that in order for this to be a true major league city, we have to invest back in a downtown area. It talked about ballparks and sports, things of that nature. And they started offering, the mayor and the district started offering incentives for developers to come in and take those old buildings and turn them into things that would attract people. Now, at the World Cup, the Super Bowl, anytime you see a video, live shots from Kansas City, it's from a district called the Power and Light. And that came
on national broadcast.
We're back.
All right. So we had technical difficulties there. We're back now. So before I was interrupted, what I was saying is that in Kansas City, there were incentives given. They created a district called the Power and Light. And anytime you see a World Cup or any event for Super Bowl, what have you, generally it's right by the arena in the Power and Light district. And it started with incentives given to developers to turn those old buildings into condos, apartments, what have you. And there were things that drew people to that specific area.